Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install VS Code, that is Visual Studio Code, current stable release on Fedora Linux 44, but the process is same on all Fedora Linux versions. Okay, first verify whether VS Code comes as the default application or not on Fedora. VS we don't have Visual Studio Code. Okay, now open the default browser that comes with Fedora Linux, that is Firefox. Now download by going to code.visualstudio.com. Download for Linux, we have to download RPM, or just click on download, then select this .rpm package. Wait a moment, download will be, see download started and its size is about 203 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package, and its version number is 1.120. In the meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Download completed. Now open terminal, then go to downloads directory, cd downloads. Now install this RPM package, sudo rpm-ivh, then code, then press the tab from your keyboard to autofill entire file name, hit enter, provide the password of the currently logged in user, which must be the sudo user. We have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, show applications. See here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Welcome to Visual Studio. Sign into the iPod. It is up to you. Or you can click on this continue without signing. Close this one. Or open VS Code by just typing code and hit enter. See, we got the Visual Studio Code. Okay. So we have successfully installed VS Code. This file is not recorded anymore, ls remove it to clear the space. Rm code, press the tab to autofill entire file name, ls we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install VS Code latest version 1.120 on Fedora Linux 44. As I told you, the process is same on all Fedora Linux versions. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.